one kasama ko Korean din. Mema, si Korean. Anyo ko sa'yo. Hello mga ka-trip. Good afternoon. Ngayon papunta tayo dito sa Korean store. Prison. Lakada. Sangria. That's one na Korean store. Titingin tayo. Dito yan sa Swig. Tingnan natin kung may mga murang bilihan nandoon. Let's go. Ayan mga trip, nakita na namin si Singaria. Ayan yung kulay green to. Ayan yung kulay green na yan. Ayan yung store ng Korean. Asian food stop. But ayan, Singaria Asian food stop. Hanap tayo dito. Pasok tayo sa loob mga ka-trip. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga product nila. What? Ano? Singaria Asian Market. Sama ko si Pema. Ayan, may mga fresh talaba sila dito. Tinitinda. Meron pala din sila nito. Fresh talaba. May mga ganito pa sila. Night collection. Korean. Laki pala. Korean fur. 2 kg. Ang piras. Laki. Siyempre ito mga pagkain, yan. Yung beverage nila, 350 pills. Yan. Naman 600 pills. Kiwi, 800 pills. Yan, yun yung mga prices niya. Yan mga katrip, yung ano nila, noodles. Ayan na. Korean chewy noodles, 500 pills. Na marami ito dinar 400. Yan, ito na yung namarami, pero malaki yun. 5 servings na siya. Tapos yakisoba. Yakisoba. Yan, ito naman yung yakisoba. Yakisoba 1 ton. So dinar, 1 dinar 890 pills. And the noodles, hot chicken ramen 640 pills. Buldak. Ang dami nila noodles dito. But ito, ang tawag dito, Japanese ramen is 1 dinar 100. Noodles. This one kasama ko Korean din. Mema, you're Korean, right? Si Korean. Anyo ko sa'yo. May kasama akong Korean. What? Sesame.
Soya milk.
Soy milk. Meron din ditong kimchi. Yeah. Mat kimchi, pat bibigo. Yeah, 100 na 900. And then what's this one kimchi, Tima? Bibigo, 2 dinar 800 yung malaking bibigo. Ano? Bibigo. Subakachi. Kimchi. Sukbakchi. Radish?
Yeah.
Mat kimchi. Ang dami. Jongga. So din na chongpak to din na 900. You like kimchi also? What is this? Meron din silang fish cake.
Yeah.
Yeah, fish cake. Yeah.
Fish cake. We boil
Yeah. And what this one? In Philippines like this, like intestine, no? Chicken intestine. How much the fish cake? It's 1 kg.
How much is this one?
Yeah, this one big Pema.
Yeah.
Maybe cheaper that one, huh?
1 kg, 150.
This one rice cake steak, oh.
That we have unique sauce.
Ito wala pang sauce mga katrip. But how much this one? 1 dinar 650.
This one dinar rupa.
1 dinar rupa. I think it's big this one.
I take this one.
Yeah.
This one.
Meron din silang Pem, come here. Seafood. Frozen boiled season scallops.
Ooh,
This one is scallops.
Mm.
Scallops is very expensive, no? Yeah, expensive.
Oh, this one cheap.
This one we call as tahong. This in Philippines very cheap this one. But here expensive. Now this one halaan. 1 dinar for 1 dinar 500. Yung halaan. Okay na.
Shrimp. Right?
Yeah.
What is this? Eel?
Eel?
Eel or something? What is that fish? Very big fish.
Season grill. Eel. Meron din silang eel pala dito mga katrip ko. Yan, frozen roasted eel. Yan. Ang presyo niya nasa 12 kg, 2 piraso, 500 grams. Mahal. Yan. Meron din sila mga shrimp. Ayan, hipon. Yan yung mga presyo niya, may kamahalan lang. Pero syempre, masarap din yan. Oh, Pema, see, look at this one. Lobster.
Crab. Oh my god.
Oh.
King crab, right?
King crab? Where's the name?
No name.
Grabe laki ng... no, only this one,
Giant. The hand, no?
Oh, yeah.
Hand, no?
Season... Walang pangalan. Ano kaya yan? Ang laki. Ang laki, oh. Ayan, katrip. Sobrang laki ng crab. Naruha. Wala naruha. Ito rin crab din to. Ayan. Yun naman. Nakaano na. Meron din sila ditong tinitindang wasabi, oh. Ayan, yung wasabi. Yung spicy chili. Yung wasabi nila nasa 5 dinar 800 ang isa. Pema, you want chili, right? You like chili? This one wasabi. It's good. Expensive also. Tapos rice. Ito soybean naman 1 dinar 500. Ito naman 1 kg. Puro black. Mahal naman ito, 7 dinar 500. Yan. Ito katrip ito, yupoke. Tapos isa naman 2 poke. Ang kulit nito, ah. Tapos instant cooked rice. Magkano yung 2 poke? 1 dinar 150. Yung yupoke 900 pesos. Mas mura yung yupoke.
Take this one.
What you take, Pema?
Yupoke.
Yupoke.
Without this.
The dam soybean. 800 pills. You want this one?
Oh,
Pickle.
I take this
Eggplant.
one, no, the big one. It's 1 kg. 900 pills.
Yeah,
Better big one, no?
same.
I don't know which one is nice.
Check first. What? You need to cook this one. No.
No, just
Cook the
hot
rice
water.
cup original. What the name of this one?
Rice cup. Cooked top.
That's not tteokbokki.
But it's inside is rice cake only, no?
Same ah. Meron din sila. What?
Not this one.
One dinaruba.
This one is what rice?
Same, that one maybe naman din na. This one spicy oh.
What is that?
What's that, Tema?
There's no name.
Eggplant. Pickled eggplant.
Pickle?
Eggplant.
Ah, chili? I don't
Chili. Yeah, this one eggplant. Ah, cucumber. This one cucumber.
know.
This one
This one
chili. This one radish. See? Pickled radish.
Ah, carrot.
And this one dinar 350 curry paste. Stock tibag. What's this?
This radish pickle. They eat like crack.
Radish pickles. That
Yeah.
one. What? How to eat that one?
They eat like this, like crack.
And this one, katsu.
What is that?
500 grams, 7 dinar 500. Maybe this one the beef?
See here. It's 2 kg, 150.
Meron din sila ditong dumplings. Vegetable dumplings. Ayan. How much this one?
This one is less and
The dumplings here is less, no? 1 dinar? No, 2 dinar 150. Dumplings nila is 2 dinar. Vegetable dumplings, 2 dinar 150. Pero kukunti yung dumplings nila dito. Sa Boulevard, mas marami.
this one is sushi.
Maybe there is more.
This one is sushi.
What's this?
Sushi.
Ah, sabchi, kimbap. This one, kimbap. This one, kimbap. This one nice also, kimbap. 1 dinar 900 yung kimbap. 1 dinar 900. And this one, what this one?
Seaweed roll.
Idami wang.
This one
Idami.
is seaweed roll.
Sewage roll. Sewage roll. Bibigo, 1 dinar 660. Crispy snack. How about this one? Shrimp fried rice. Fried rice oh. Naka-pro, ano lang. Frozen fried rice. 3 dinaruba. Oh, 1 hour already? Okay.
Only 1 hour?
Red chili. Ah. Kampi ma. Igo na. KitKat din sila dito. KitKat strawberry. May strawberry din pala ang KitKat to. 1 dinar 800. At may nakita pa to si Pema na ice cream. See, mochi vanilla is 2 dinar 100. Oh, mochi vanilla.
What is this name?
I don't know also.
There is no name.
But this one 600 pills. Where's the 600? 600 pills. This one also 600 pills. This one
Yes.
600 pills. Dito sa taas, no, this one espresso. This one 600 pills. Come on. Let's go. Bye bye Korean. Yan, napili ni Pema. What that one, Pema?
This one tteokbokki.
Tteokbokki.
And this one seaweed.
Okay.
After 2 days, no? February.
Keep until end of this month.
Thank you. See? much? Kaya nakabili si Pema.
I broke now.
Ha?
I don't have money.
You're broke now? It's okay. Thank you.
Good day.
Bye-bye. Thank you po. Nagba-vlog po kami. Trip TV vlog po. Walang dalang sticker eh. Nakikita ka dito. Bumati ka muna. Bumati ka muna sa atin. Ano ko sa'yo?
Patingin ko na.
Patrip, mayroon din tayong kabayan dito. Yan.
Hello po, punta po kayo sa Singaria. Korean store po to.
Yan, Korean store, supermarket. Meron tayo ditong kabayan.
Hello po, binabati ko po lahat ng pamilya ko sa Pinas.
Teka lang, ayan.
Hello po sa mga pamilya ko sa Pinas. Binabati ko po yung family Caliejo po.
Saan po kayo?
Sa Juan po, sa Tarlac,
Oh,
Pangasinan.
Thailand. Okay.
Dito po ako nagtatrabaho, Korean store po.
Singaria Asian Supermarket. Dito yan sa Swig.
Hello.
Ayan.
Salamat po
Shout out
Kuya.
lahat sa Tarlac. Sa taga Tarlac.
Opo,
Shout out.
binabati ko po rin yung mga taga-Patalngan nyo.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you po,
Bye-bye.